Okay, in this next example, we're going to apply a rest machining operation. To do that, go to 3D Machining, right-click on this icon here, and go to Material Left Removal. First, let's go ahead and select a new tool. Let's double-click on ball nose, and let's choose a 1/4 inch diameter ball end mill. Here you can see the tool is not sticking out far enough, so let's go modify it. Let's click to Definition, and let's try 2 inches. That looks better. Go ahead and click OK from the prompt line. Let's set our tolerance to maybe 1/1000th. Let's set our scallop height to maybe 3/10. And here let's apply a 3D overlap. What 3D overlap is going to do is it's going to overlap this tool path with the previous tool path just enough to get rid of any scallops that might be left behind. Now let's go to Strategy, and let's set our clearance plane to delta path. Let's also set our lead in and lead out to tangent. And let's say OK. Okay, at this point you can see the simulation of the toolpath. Let's go ahead and escape out of that. Let's go to our Operations Manager. Let's turn on the visualization of the toolpath. Here you can see that the toolpath is machining everywhere there was still material. However, we have some bad machining conditions here because we're pushing a tool down a very steep wall here, as well as back here. So let's maybe try and go and fix that. Let's go to our Operations Manager and double-click on the left material operation, and let's go to the Strategy tab. Here, let's turn on Steep and Shallow Management and change our cutting method from zigzag to climb milling, and click OK. Okay, now let's go look at the toolpath. So here you can see kind of the helical style machining. Also, so you know, you can also change the color of your toolpath at any time just by going to your color palette and picking a different color, and then left-clicking that color here and applying it to your toolpath. But here you can see the nice helical transition instead of pushing and pulling that tool up and down a steep wall. Let's go run Verify now. Go select our part, right-click Verify, Verify. Let's load our previous stock, and let's start result. And now you can see we've machined off everywhere there's a lot of material still. Let's maybe do a comparison now. So now we're looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and turn off that toolpath and exit out of the operation.